creative development from Bodycraft Salon. After training with esteemed international names like Tony and Guy, Vidal Sassoon, and the Great Plains Academy, Swati Gupta has successfully introduced premier brands like System Professional and Malibu Sea to the Indian market. She also serves a sought-after industry consultant, collaborating with acclaimed international brands. Swati holds the esteemed distinction of being the first individual in India to attain the coveted Master Color Expert accreditation from Vela Professionals. Presently, she spearheads the Bodycraft Academy in an exclusive partnership with the Sassoon Academy School Connection. We also have with us Ms. Asha, the Director of Education at Enrich AHA. Asha is India's lead educationalist and consultant to lead cosmetic hair brands and salons. She studied her craft from the top schools like Vidal Sassoon in London, Pivot Palette at USA, and more. Her career expands over 40 years, working with high-profile companies and winning various accolades. Following the overwhelming success of her own salon chain, The Fringe, she now develops the next generation of aestheticians and enterprises with AHA. We also have with us Mr. Deepak Jalan, who is the educator and creative director at Lux Salon. Deepak has been associated with Lux Unisex Salon for more than 10 years now. Professionally, he has learned and polished his skills from masterclasses with foreign hairdressers. Vidal Sassoon Academy, London L'Oreal Professional Course, Tony and Guy in Singapore. His excellence has been recognized through accolades such as Look and Learn, Rock and Folk by L'Oreal Professional, and Indian Hairdressing Awards. Deepak has styled the glamour industry in IFA Awards 2010, including artists like Sonam Kapoor, Sushmita Sen, and Lara Datta. Lastly, we have with us Ms. Audrey D'Souza. She's the National Creative Director of Lakme Salon. Having chalked up over 15 years of experience in the industry, Audrey D'Souza's approach to what she does is fairly experimental and hands-on. She considers her work environment to be an extremely encouraging atmosphere inclined towards greeting people to step up of their comfort zone and try something new. She is a true harbinger of self-expression. She believes a good hairstyle needs to be something which reflects personality and not just simply something that is considered acceptable. I would now like to welcome our panelists and the chief.
Hello everyone. Hello. So guys, my name is Audrey D'Souza. I'm the National Creative Director for Lakme Salons. बहुत बड़ा introduction था, of course. आप लोगों ने सुना. So today we'll be actually talking a little bit about the whole concept. जैसे hair fall के बारे में concerns होते हैं, तो we'll be talking a little bit about that. आपके कोई भी questions है, queries है, we'll definitely answer them. And I would like to share my insight about what we do at Lakme Salons, right? So if you have any questions, if you have any queries or anything related to that, please let me know. Thank you.
Maybe we can start with Swati. Is that, we as an industry has evolved a lot. You guys all have contributed in making this industry evolve from where to where. Everybody has seen it. I don't think that before HBS, such kind of conferences were also being held. They are only exhibitions. मतलब दुकानें लगी हैं, आपको जो खरीदना है खरीद लो. But this is not the atmosphere anymore. It's all knowledge. You guys are here, spending time, money, focus, everything just to get the knowledge. So it shows that we have evolved a lot. But where the next evolution is coming, if you look at any e-commerce industry, hair loss is the main talked subject. In salon also, people do have hair fall. People do have hair loss. But sometimes they are not too serious or they are not too bothered to speak to our stylist that I have a hair loss and I want to do whatever you say, right? So how can we make them talk more about hair loss and scalp when they enter into a salon, right? Just a spa is not going to do. We have to understand that. There is a very misconception. मैंने बहुत सारे सलून में देखा अगर hair loss है spa करवा लो. There is no connection. How a spa is going to stop a hair loss? Yes, spa is wonderful to give you a smooth hair, maybe relaxation, but hair loss बंद नहीं होगा. तो वो transition कैसे होगा? I would like to, hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, I think सबसे पहले it's important for us to understand at any phase of our life, every one of us has gone through weight problems. weight बढ़ता है, weight घटता है, किसी phase of life में, maybe during pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, so many phases come in a man or a woman's life जब weight घटता है, गिरता है. So many times in life we face skin issues. Acne आती है, pigmentation आती है, जाती है, किसी की नहीं जाती है, scarring रहते हैं, multiple issues. The same happens with hair. It's important for us to understand that scalp, hair is the same like so many other parts of our body. And the way they go through various changes, our hair and our scalp goes through changes as well. And it is a constant. Sometimes it is a very small part of the problem. It's just a part of our regular cycle. You're having a regular hair fall issue. It might be very periodic, it might be very short. However, some of it tends to prolong, it tends to go on much longer. But till we do not address scalp the way we address constant care around our body, constant care around our skin, till we don't address scalp as a specific concern area, we will keep struggling with this issue of hair fall, suddenly itne gir gaye, suddenly patches develop ho gaye, receding hairlines develop ho gayi, because we are not taking care of scalp as an individual unit altogether. So I think that's my take on it.
Thank you. So, Santosh, am I audible? Is this working? Please excuse me. Yeah. I think this is better. Santosh, so now the panel is complete. I would like you to introduce the panel first and then I'll go with my further questions.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So with us today, Mr. Jigar Patel. He is the founder and the CEO of Briller Science Private Limited. Ms. Asha Hariharan, she is the director with Enrich and AHA Academy. Ms. Swati Gupta, founder and the owner and the, I am sorry, this is very difficult, this creative director. One more word was there. Founder's daughter, I am so sorry. But there was one terminology which I missed it, but the creative director with Bodycraft Spa and Salon based out at Bangalore. And Ms. Manjul Gupta, yes, the founder of Bodycraft. Mr. Deepak Jalan, he is the creative director and the educator with Lux Salons. And yes, Audrey, she is again the national creative head with Lakme Salons.
So we have all creative directors. Yeah. Apart from me. So yeah, going forward, Asha, to ask you, I think we have been doing Root Deep as a treatment which is focused only on hair loss in Enrich, Bodycraft, Lux, Lakme, all the salons, and we have been fortunate enough to work with these guys because lot of times they give us lot of problems to solve. कि ये problem है आप क्या करोगे as a brand, and then we grow, right? So my question to Asha would be, in keeping Enrich in mind, also keeping the salon fraternity in mind, that scalp as a subject, right? She spoke about how important scalp is. Now, we may understand, but then it has to percolate down the line. So my stylist has to speak, then the consumer has to speak, and everybody has to start speaking scalp, scalp, scalp. How we can do that, interestingly, not being preachy, right? Yes.
Okay, you mean pushing and selling, yes. Not preachy. Yes. Okay. All right. So I think for all the salons across, first of all, skin care, hair care, everything has advanced so much. And we find that one generation of treatments take over the next generation. But no matter how advanced it is, we as salon professionals and especially salon owners, we must ask ourselves where to draw the line. Because, yeah, thank you. See, because one side of any treatment is the care side. Okay? So one side of any treatment, and especially hair, is care aspect. The other side is the cure aspect. And health, I mean, hair health and scalp health, as you correctly said, has become very different and the whole landscape has shifted. What do I mean by that? There was a time when you would have someone who's 40, 45, who would start having hair loss. And hair loss, again, is it hair thinning or is it hair falling? Okay? And they would either just not do anything about it and do your regular, tel malish, or they would go to a doctor for treatments. Everything has changed now because that whole generation profile from the 40s has now shifted to as young as 20. So there is not just internal health, but there are so many things that are affecting us. And why is this important? Because today you get to see, a client who has got hair fall, scalp issues, not first at the doctor's level. They come to the salon, which means the whole nucleus of the focus has changed, which means that our hair professionals have to upgrade themselves, okay, and understand hair not just as cure, but as care, but somewhere which goes out of the realm of care and understand what cure can do for it. Because cure is a very dicey thing. Now, if you take, let's say, hair fall, depending on whether it's an infestation of the P. ovuli or whether it's an infestation of the skin or something, all right, how far can we go as salonists? We have to know where to stop. And the brilliant thing today, okay, not because he's paid me and not because I like him, I just think that his team has come up with the need gap for all of us. Because we should be ready for a chappal when we tell our clients that I can cure this. Because you can't. You need a lot of help. And what I like about your formulations, they are brutally honest and they allow me to know how much of care I can give to a customer. So first, the client profile. Secondly, it's not the doctors who first meet people who've got hair fall, it's us. Thirdly, your new generation products are absolutely on point and on focus, okay? Which help us, because I would always tell a client, can I cure you? No. Do I have solutions? Yes. Can I give you something very strong in the care department so that it delays your hair fall or the decline of your scalp health? Yes. So this is the first time I've seen that, a great merging ability between, I think, the salons and great products. But the most important thing, which I think we severely lack, okay, is hairdressers who want to push the product, who don't understand the chemistry, who don't understand trichology, okay, and they don't know how to step from where they are to how they can become a little better, not to play the part of a doctor, but to understand and be able to see the first signs and to be able to differentiate. Because hair care is not only scalp, because within scalp, you will agree, all right, that there are many conditions. The hair shaft itself has got many conditions. Okay? And the client is an individual and has her conditions. So, how do we merge the three? Where do we take the support? What is the right path? And when to say, no, I can't help you.
Yeah. Thank you. So, thank you. Now, see, the panel sitting over here is training maybe 5,000 hairdressers. No, if I have to sum up the numbers, so no. So you are 1,000, she is 1,000, he is 1,000, and you all are starting more than 1,000 people, no? Every day. Lakme, you might be having more than 1,000 people you train, right? So, if I talk about the panel who is responsible to train, educate, guide, monitor so many hairdressers under them, right? These are the people who are going to lead the communication of scalp in future. Now, would it make sense, let's say, if I ask you that out of those thousands of people whom you train within your own chains, and a lot of people you aspire when you go to these kind of shows and talk to them. So, if we create scalp heroes or scalp experts, right, or any vocabulary which inspires them, but it cannot become that all of a sudden all 5,000 are scalp experts, right? Do you suggest, or would it be wise to say that from your team, every salon has one or two scalp experts whom as a company we take the responsibility to train them, as an educator you take the responsibility to train them better, and together at least we say that by the next year I want at least 1,000 scalp experts, and then they'll aspire others, right? See how people became hair stylists and hair experts, right? The journey started with few people and then it manifested into many people. So would it be a panel sitting over here, if you can take one person from your salon or by yourself, ki I want to become a scalp expert and there is something new I will acquire as a knowledge, and then I will speak to my consumers. And then slowly, obviously, 5 consumer, 10 consumer, 20 consumer, this industry will evolve rapidly because consumer knowledge is definitely evolving rapidly. So I think, Deepak, if you can answer this question, that can we create such, protagonists who are scalp experts, and then they take that further extra step to educate themselves, and then they pave the way for others to follow. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, definitely I would like to say about it. When we talk about scalp experts, on a personal ground, I would say as a shop floor, scalp is what? The hair is coming out of scalp. The hair has to be healthy. The stylist point of view, if I say, if you work on the hair, if your hair is healthy, either when you do any color or any chemical treatment, what's the result outcome? You guys tell me. Like when you guys do any chemical treatment, you guys are working on a floor, and if the hair is really nice and healthy, so the outcome is how? Which is going to be brilliant. When we talk about an example, when we paint our wall at home, and if we do a putty before doing the paint, and it strongs it out the color, that's what. So if we have a person who is dedicated for scalp concern, and they can give them what is advised to be right or wrong, and help them to achieve their better results for the hair, and I think that's nothing like it. And then we multiply all that things into a general public or general salons as well, to multiply by 1 or 2 people every time. So I think this scalp condition is going to be less problematic in the industry.
Okay.
That's what I believe in.
Understood. So Audrey, what do you see the importance of machineries or tools? So say for example a scalp analyzer or something.
Right.
So see, sometimes consumers already know if I have a sensitive scalp, if it itch, if I'm losing the hair, if my scalp is weak. These are the things consumer already know.
Correct.
But do you think that analyzer kind of machines, or where we have a lot of skin testers, similarly if we have scalp testers, then consumer will be able to understand it even better. Okay, I need to take care of it because as of now I am knowing it but I am not seeing it. Will it make a difference?
But honestly, I would like to say something. When we actually have scalp analyzers in the salon, if we go very quickly to our clients, showing them the scalp analyzers, they can get a little shock. all right?
yes.
When they see their scalp, when they see the hair, right? So it is always better to follow the steps of consultation.
Okay.
Talk to them a little bit about the scalp when we actually manually go ahead and check it. And then definitely our scalp analyzer comes in play. Like when we talk about Lakme salons, we have scalp analyzer in every salon. I'm sure every salon has it. It's very mandatory as a tool, right? So scalp analyzer always helps our experts to make sure what you're checking, what you're judging is the right thing. It gives you a little bit of solution and a little bit of satisfaction to your clients also when they see it. But
Yeah.
kabhi ऐसा होता है कि they see at once and then they get too scared,
So
right?
it's a paralysis of analysis then kind of scenario
You can
may
say
happen.
that.
Right, yeah.
Completely. But yes, a scalp analyzer is a very, very important tool, at least in hairdressing. When we started using it for our clients, I think they understood how important part of consultation it was. And after using the scalp analyzer, it gave them a say to understand scalp is an important part.
Yeah.
Like, I actually would like to highlight this. When we started working on our care portfolio, we never had scalp and hair as a different topic.
Yo.
We only had hair treatments. Yeah. Today, most of our great salons, every salon has scalp and hair as a different topic altogether, which not only helps us to, of course, get great business, but also helps us to understand our scalp needs and hair needs for our clients.
Exactly. I think
Just-
this is a very important point to understand. In every salon, in every menu, now we have to start thinking that this is a scalp treatment, this is a hair treatment. If people have dandruff, if people have hair loss, they need to understand that I need to do something with my scalp. Not only with the hair, right? Everybody wants smoother hair, but scalp का कुछ करना पड़ेगा. ये सोच लाने के लिए मेनू में scalp का होना ज़रूरी है. Right? So I think this is the thing. Good. So, ma'am, अभी let's say a discipline, right? Nobody better than you to answer me this question. Is that people, people, the biggest issue with hair loss is that it's not a problem to be solved in one day. Me and Swati were also discussing कि भी it's not a magic pill. आप आज ले लो कल से हेयरफॉल बंद हो जाएगा और फिर लाइफ टाइम हेयरफॉल वापस नहीं आएगा, राइट? दिस इज़ अ ड्रीम वर्ल्ड. नाउ रियलिटी में है क्या कि आप आज कोई चीज़ लगाते हो एंड देन 30 डेज में कुछ रिजल्ट दिखता है, फिर 60 डेज में दिखता है, फिर देन बट यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू इट. So it's a discipline. I have to consider that my hair needs food, my root needs food. I need to keep on nourishing them in order to have a healthy, denser hair on my scalp. तो अब ये कस्टमर को कई बार हो जाए, क्या होता है कि मैं उनको बताता हूँ कि देखो आज आप ट्रीटमेंट चालू कर रहे हो, बट इसको बंद नहीं कर पाओगे, इसको थोड़ा चालू रखना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर हिम इट्स अ बिग कमिटमेंट कि यार अभी आज आप मुझे कुछ ऐसा बताओ कि जो आज सलून से बाहर निकलूँ ना, उसके बाद में अवर कमिटमेंट इज़ ओवर. आई विल डू इट इफ़ आई लाइक इट, राइट? बट इन हेयर लॉस द कमिटमेंट गोज बियॉन्ड इट. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू यूजिंग इट. तो वो हैबिट हम लोग कस्टमर को कैसे समझा सकते हैं सो दैट इट डजंट फील लाइक बर्डन. इट फील्स लाइक ओके इट इज़ अ फूड फॉर मी एंड इट एम्पावर्स मी रेदर देन frightening them, empowering them kind of situation. How can we create that?
Actually,
Yeah, you are audible.
actually, when we all think as an expert, we always feel that it's very normal the way we are taking care of our skin, if it is oily, dry, or aging, or getting pigmentation, we take care accordingly. Same way, we are supposed to take care of our scalp also. So in our mind, it's very clear that scalp, where hair are growing, we should be taking more care because we are not able to give proper cleansing to it the way we give to the face. But in customer's mind, it's not that clear. So a detailed consultation, giving them complete clarity about the care of the scalp is very important. And it depends on us, on our consultant, that how well they explain it, that if your scalp is clean, your hair will grow healthy. If your scalp is getting some nourishment through some products or some serums or ceramides, the new thing which is coming, it will definitely work for you and give you better and better growth. I think education is required. And it's very important to feed your scalp well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think too. Yeah. Yeah, please.
See, where we are, we understand consultation, but I'm just going to rope in 2 or 3 questions that you put, okay? If you have 5 salons and less, then you should be the powerhouse of knowledge with how to deal with clients. Because of all the products in the world, the greatest unsatisfaction or dissatisfaction, sorry, is the hair department. Okay? Reason being, like you correctly said, that if it is a cure part of a service, it's always ongoing. Always ongoing, okay? And there are no, there are no instant miracles, number one. But if you have more than 5 salons, what we do is we have a lead. The lead does not have to be a senior hairdresser. The lead can be a geek, a complete information geek, a knowledge geek. Okay? Like, if you see the person who is in charge of my research, she is a tiny little tot. Okay? But when I speak to companies and all, and I'll say, okay, is this what? Hair fall? Is this cure? Is this whatever it is? Speak to her. So she is one person who will take all the information, and then what we do is at every salon, we have one person who is a lead for a particular subject. Now, I have to tell you that one of my clients, I had to meet her over lunch, okay, because she came with her lawyer to sue us. You know why? If you see her hair, she's got some 4 strands of hair on her head, okay? And my hairdresser just said to her, you know, ma'am, at least maintain your routine. And she's a super brilliant woman. She is an AI specialist. She said, how dare you make me feel ugly? You don't think I know I have 4 hair? So I'm just saying, we are at an era where clients are very demanding. You very correctly said that the gap between great products and a happy client is a very well-trained and informed salon owner, hairdresser, and perhaps a lead. And that, I feel, can only happen from companies like you who invest in growing that breed of specialist. Otherwise, they think we are trying to push something on, or they will come back. And you know, they never come back and tell you, you said to use the thing every day, I use it once a week. Okay, there are so many things. So I feel that if we put together education, all right, and the education also means the empathetic part of it, where you see a client and in 30 seconds you should be able to tell, okay, that the mental state of that client. Acne and hair fall have been the worst things that happen to a client in a salon situation, but they are real. Is that right?
So I think, you know, what is evident is that their client needs to be consulted in such a way that they fall into a habit of monthly scalp care, right? They do waxing, threading, haircut, lot of other stuff, and all those services became a part of their life. Now, in a new age salon expertise, salon can offer a very, very good scalp care. I'm not saying just with the root dip, right? There are also good products in the market, but scalp as a subject, right, needs to be spoken by all of us. One person cannot make a difference. So let's make consumers speak about it. I am here for my scalp care today. whatever it be the scalp concern which is related to scalp, it can be dandruff, hair fall, itchiness, sensitivity, hair loss, hair growth, whatever. But I am here for a scalp care, right? And that should be the subject. I think we should all work towards it. Now, how much time we have more, ma'am? One more question. Yeah. So, I think this 15 minutes? Okay, good, thank you. You are generous. So now, what I want to talk about is scalp supplements, right? Now, going slightly further, I know I have just coined a new subject whereby we start talking about scalp, but then speaking about scalp food, right? Because, see, supplements are everywhere. If you look at Western countries, they consume supplements 10 times more than what we consume as an average adult. Everybody is aware, if you look at any average adult in Western countries, they have that, set of pill. They take 8 to 10 pills a day. I got my niece, she is very young, 22-year-old, she takes 5 food supplements every day. One for hair, one for skin, one for, something else. So, yeah.
Our food, yeah. So there is a supplement called spirulina. I take it. When I skip my food, I just take that supplement. And
Yeah.
my food consumable is okay.
Exactly. So protein bars are everywhere, food supplements are everywhere, vitamins bars are everywhere. So supplement is not a medicine, right? We have to understand that. See, medicine is required when you have some problems and you want to counter it. Supplement is just to support your functionalities because, we have life thanks to mobile. We do a lot of multitasking. We don't sleep till 2. Instagram is everywhere. And then, so, sometimes we miss on the essential food supplements, whether it is minerals, vitamins, amino acids, fibers. So these are the things, and the newer generation is taking it even lesser and lesser because food is all becoming about taste and lifestyle rather than the nutrition. So, in hair loss, since it is happening from within the scalp, the internal food support is very, very important, right? आप एक्सटर्नल में कोई भी स्काल्प सीरम लगा लो, कोई भी हेयर ऑयल लगा दो, सलून में ट्रीटमेंट कर लो, दोज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट विदाउट द फूड सप्लीमेंट दे मे नॉट गेट द एग्जैक्ट रिजल्ट दे वांट, राइट? अब फूड सप्लीमेंट जब वो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो डॉक्टर उनको मेडिसिन देते हैं और वो मेडिसिन के जैसे कंज्यूम करते हैं, राइट? मेडिसिन इंसान पूरी लाइफ नहीं लेता क्योंकि उसको पता है हर मेडिसिन का एक साइड इफेक्ट होता है और मैं इसको पूरी लाइफ लूँगा तो इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर माई बॉडी, हेयर तो बच जाएंगे पर बाकी कुछ ना चला जाए, राइट? सो बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फूड सप्लीमेंट्स, राइट, देर इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट बॉडी इन इंडिया विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज FSSAI. FSSAI करता क्या है कि ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जो हम लोग हर रोज़ खाने में खा सकते हैं, राइट? विटामिन B12 हम लोग हर रोज़ ले सकते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग, आई थिंक whosoever gets the blood test done, विटामिन B12 मोस्टली कम ही आएगा, राइट? सो अब विटामिन B12 इफ FSSAI अप्रूव्ड फूड सप्लीमेंट आप खा सकते हो, जस्ट लाइक प्रोटीन, दिन में 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन लेना चाहिए टू सपोर्ट योर हेल्दी बोन्स एंड द हेयर. So similarly, what we have done at Root Deep is we have created India's first professional scalp food. But that I'm saying it's a scalp food again. This is not a medicine, right? Anybody and everybody can eat it without any prescription or doctor consultation, right? We did not want consumer come back to you saying कि अच्छा मेरे डॉक्टर ने तो नहीं बताया है, मेरे डॉक्टर ने वो मुझे मेडिसिन दी है तो इसके साथ मैं खा सकती हूँ. Yes, because it is just a dose of vitamins, minerals and amino acids जो आपको ideally अपने food में से मिलने चाहिए. If you look at this image, so the one capsule is all about all the healthy fruits and greens which you are supposed to eat daily. Right? We just made it into a concentrated form and giving it to you in a very easy to use. Santosh, if you can distribute to the people, I think they'll be able to, not just one box, maybe you have more boxes there. Sorry? So yeah, this is what the scalp food is looking like, right? It's a very, easy to use 30 capsule box And I think you can eat one capsule a day. It's not very difficult. Either afternoon or in the evening after food, your customers can take one capsule a day. Now, one capsule a day meets all your supplement needs for the healthy hair and scalp. Right? I'm repeating again. One capsule a day is sufficient enough for healthy hair and scalp. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो ये खा ले और सलून में जाए ही नहीं और बाकी ये सारा नहीं करे तो चलेगा. Right? Because see, topical products has a different role. आपको अगर स्काल्प स्ट्रेंथन करना है एपिडर्मिस से तो ये नहीं कर सकता है, ये कर सकता है, बट आपको डर्मिस पे काम कर सकता है तो ये कर सकता है. सो टुगेदर रूट डीप का कमिटमेंट क्या है कि वी वांट टू सॉल्व हेयर लॉस फ्रॉम एवरी पॉसिबल एंगल, राइट? वेदर इट इज़ अ फूड, वेदर इट इज़ अ शैम्पू, वेदर इट इज़ अ सीरम, from every possible angle it needs to give a complete solution to the consumer. So yeah, Swati, question to you on what do you think about these kind of food supplements for the scalp? How can salon, communicate to their consumers in a way that they take it as a food and they take it as something which is empowering? The day I am taking a capsule, I should feel happy and empowered that, okay, my today's food is taken care. I have done enough for my scalp today. You said that, right? You have to start thinking about your scalp. It cannot be overnight. So this is more of a lifestyle than a medicine. So how can, how do you see it? And how do you see stylists promoting it to the consumer for their health? Yeah. If you want to take it.
So I think, Jigar, like all of us have voiced, the wave of education has to start. And that wave can only start through us. It's very, it can be a very, very big challenge because a lot of people look at things behind a capsule with a lot of suspicion. Everybody will wonder कि क्या है, आप हमें क्या खिला रहे हो? मुझे कैसे पता लगेगा कि even आपने अगर लिखा है B12 है, vitamin D है, जो भी है, is it true? So it's very, however, we do have a huge consumer population which is moving towards supplements. Protein shakes, protein bars, the way you talked about. We work with clinical treatments. Elixir treatments are becoming very popular. People are even getting drips done to substitute the lack of nutrition in their body. So there's two sides to it. While there is a market which is exposed, which is accepting, there is a market which is going to be suspicious of it. But that is with everything now. आप एक lettuce का पत्ता तक नहीं खा सकते without understanding कि उसमें कितना pesticide जा रहा है, कितने, what are you really consuming? So I think the concept of education has to come through. People need to understand that there are some supplements which don't come normally through food, or which will always be compromised. कितना भी आप लोग खा लो, आप कितने भी lentils खा लो, आप कितने भी fruits खा लो, veggies खा लो, green leafy खा लो, there is going to be something which is lacking. And that lacking, in the safest form, how is it coming to me? How is it getting absorbed by my body? And hence, how is it becoming food for the scalp? Can only happen through a bunch of people who believe in that cause and who can talk about it in the most, authentic manner possible.
Yeah, agree.
So, like I said, it's up to all of us to build that wave, and there will always be a set of people who are the believers, and there will always be a set of people who are cynical about, or who are a little cautious about acceptance towards some of this.
Understood. So, but the critical element to talk about here is whether it is FDA approved to be consumed, whether it is FSSAI approved to be as food, whether it is made into a GMP facility, whether it is promoted by all leading salons like you, all of them, or maybe one critical aspect. What will make them believe or have that suspicious removed?
The more the better. Because there will be some who will believe in the certification. There will be some who will believe in the people who are promoting it. Yeah. So I think the more the better. So if as a brand you have been able to build and cover every hole of suspicion, then maybe that is the safer journey and the more positive journey forward.
Yeah. Maybe we should take you all guys to the manufacturing facility where it is made. Yeah. So, no, but thank you so much. So, I think we open the panel questions. Huh? Huh? अच्छा ठीक है आप So I think just to close this session, I have my colleague Santosh who will explain you guys on how this root deep treatment works, उसके steps क्या हैं और किस तरीके से आपको करना है in a very shortest possible manner because we have 5 minutes now and then we'll have open questions. Thank you.
आप सब लोगों का यहाँ पे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी सी इन सब के डिस्कशन के बाद में एटलीस्ट आई एम श्योर दैट आप लोगों को इतना बिलीव हुआ होगा दैट रूट डीप एज अ प्रोडक्ट हेयर फॉल के ऊपर काम करता है. ठीक है, जब भी हम लोगों को मौका मिलेगा इन पर्सन आप लोगों से मिलने के लिए, तब हम लोग ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि वो कैसे हम प्रूव कर सकते कि काम करता है एंड ऑल दैट, क्योंकि उसका एक बहुत बड़ा डिटेल थ्योरी होता है 3 घंटे का. इतना टाइम हमारे पास में अभी नहीं होगा, तो मैं सिर्फ इस ट्रीटमेंट का एक ब्रीफ आपको बताती हूँ. रूट डीप करके एक ब्रांड है विच इज़ जो ब्रिलर साइंस से है, और ये हेयर फॉल और हेयर लॉस के अंदर एक पेटेंटेड प्रोडक्ट है. ये क्लिनिकली अप्रूव्ड है. तो रिजल्ट्स जितना हम एक कॉस्मेटिक्स से अचीव करने के बारे में सोच सकते हैं उतना, सो दवाई और सैलून प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर डिफरेंस रहता है, राइट. सो हेयर उगाना इज़ अ सेपरेट थिंग, बट हेयर फॉल को कंट्रोल करना वो इम्पॉर्टेंट रहता है. तो इस ट्रीटमेंट के अंदर इस तरीके का एक मोनोडोज सैलून का ट्रीटमेंट होता है. तो हमको क्लाइंट को इसकी 6 सिटिंग्स जो है वो सजेस्ट करनी रहती है, और ये जो 6 सिटिंग रहती है इनिशियली हमको हर 15 दिन में क्लाइंट को करना रहेगा. सो ये 4 स्टेप का प्रोसेस है, वेरी सिंपल. शैम्पू करना है, देयर इज़ अ टोनिक जिसको हम स्कैल्प में लगाएंगे, देन एक मास्क आता है जो लेंथ में लगता है, एंड देन फिर वॉश हो जाता है. सो सिंपल 4 स्टेप का प्रोसीजर है. वो डेमो वगैरह कभी भी आपके सैलून में जब डिस्कस होगा हम उसके बारे में बताएंगे. हेयर लॉस जैसी चीज़ के अंदर सैलून की ट्रीटमेंट जितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है उससे 200% आई कैन से इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है होम केयर. बिकॉज कुछ ट्रीटमेंट्स ऐसी होती है जो एज अ स्टाइलिस्ट हमारे हाथ में होती है, लाइक टेक्सचर ट्रीटमेंट, केराटिन कैसा रिजल्ट आ रहा है, स्ट्रेटनिंग कैसा रिजल्ट आ रहा है, वो 2-3 घंटे में हम लोग कर सकते हैं. बट हेयर फॉल और हेयर लॉस क्योंकि इंटरनल चीज़ है, तो एक बार आप जो सैलून में कर रहे हो उससे कई गुना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है कि क्लाइंट घर में उसकी रेगुलर केयर कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. बाकी ट्रीटमेंट का भी ज़रूरी रहता है. तो इस ट्रीटमेंट का होम केयर हम लोग आइडियली बोल के चलते हैं एटलीस्ट 100 दिन. बिकॉज एक हेयर को रूट से ग्रो करवाना, उसकी हेल्थ को ठीक करना, उसको फर्दर वो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ में ग्रो हो, जो हम एनाजन, केटाजन, टेलोजन की बात करते हैं. सो ये सारा प्रोसेस ऐसा नहीं है जो 1 या 2 दिन में हो जाएगा. सो एटलीस्ट 100 डेज़ मिनिमम हम बोल के चलते हैं. और वो 100 डेज़ के अंदर देर आर 2 प्रोडक्ट्स. 2 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो क्लाइंट को सिर्फ स्कैल्प में अप्लाई करने होते हैं. 5 मिनट उसको अप्लाई करने में लगती है. कैन यू जस्ट ओपन दिस फॉर मी समबडी. तो इसमें 2 प्रोडक्ट है. एक प्रोडक्ट को बोला जाता है हाइड्रोल शॉक, जो 50 ml का आता है. इसको जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम है ट्रीटमेंट देने के बाद में 10 दिन रेगुलर यूज़ करना है. सिर्फ हर रोज़ रात को वो प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई कर दे, हल्का सा मसाज करके ओवरनाइट रखना है, एंड नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग उसको वॉश कर लेना है. 10 दिन तक जब ये छोटा वाला बॉटल कोई भी यूज़ करता है, तो वहाँ पे एज अ ब्रांड जितनी भी हमारी क्लिनिकल स्टडीज़ है उसमें वी चैलेंज कितना भी क्रोनिक हेयर फॉल होगा, एक बार के लिए क्लाइंट का हेयर फॉल रुक जाएगा. मतलब अगर उसने जब ट्रीटमेंट शुरू करी थी वो दिन अगर उसके लेट से 500 बाल झड़ रहे थे दिन के एक अंदाजे से, या इतना गुच्छा झड़ रहा था, तो जब तक वो 10वें दिन पे आएगा, विजुअल आप निकेड आई से भी उसको जज कर सकते हो कि उसका हेयर फॉल रिड्यूस होगा. एंड दिस रिडक्शन हैपन्स इन एनी सिनेरियो, किसी का कुछ मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ हेरिडिटी प्रॉब्लम हो या कुछ क्रोनिक प्रॉब्लम हो, 10 डेज में इसका रिजल्ट ज़रूर से दिखेगा. ठीक है, आप काउंट करना चाहते हो आप काउंट कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ अ चैलेंज. इसलिए हम लोग इस ब्रांड के साथ बोलते हैं इफ़ दिस डजंट रिड्यूस योर हेयर फॉल नथिंग कैन. कहने का मतलब एज अ कॉस्मेटिक, या आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन, एज अ कॉस्मेटिक अगर आपका इससे ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब द प्रॉब्लम्स आर वेरी वेरी सीवियर, यू नीड टू सी अ डॉक्टर. एक बार जब ये 10 दिन के लिए आपका जब फिनिश हो जाता है पहला प्रोडक्ट, देन 11th डे ऑनवर्ड्स इसमें एक दूसरा प्रोडक्ट आता है जिसको बोला जाता है हाइड्रो ऑयल. ठीक है, ये हाइड्रो ऑयल भी क्लाइंट को स्कैल्प में ही अप्लाई करना है. बॉटल्स के ऊपर सारी मार्किंग दी गई है कि कितना ml लगाना है. 5 ml आप कैसे जज करोगे, वो पूरा मार्किंग दिया हुआ है. इट कम्स विद अ नोजल, आपको सिर्फ अप्लाई करना है, बट ये आपको एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन लगाना है. सो 100 ml का बॉटल 5 ml एवरी डे, जब आप एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन लगाते हैं तो आपका 20 एप्लीकेशंस होता है. मतलब 20 दिन एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन करा तो टोटल 40 दिन हो गया. सो 10 दिन आपका छोटा वाला बॉटल विच इज़ हाइड्रो ऑयल शॉक, एंड उसके बाद में अगले 40 दिन एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन आपको ये यूज़ करना है. ये 50 दिन जब तक आपका ये यूज़ होता है तब तक आपकी जो ट्रीटमेंट का जो 10-10 दिन 15-15 दिन में जो ड्यूरेशन है वो कंप्लीट होगा. एक साइकिल इसकी जब कंप्लीट हो जाती है उसके बाद में क्लाइंट को अगेन हाइड्रो ऑयल शॉक 10 डेज़ के लिए यूज़ करना है, एंड देन हाइड्रो ऑयल फॉर 40 डेज़. सो दिस इज़ एन आइडियल 100 डेज़ जो हम लोग बोलते हैं. आफ्टर दैट मेंटेन करने के लिए उनको मंथली बाय मंथली कुछ ट्रीटमेंट लेना है. कुछ हमारे पास में मेंटेनेंस के भी स्कैल्प सीरम्स वगैरह हैं, वो सब उनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ बेसिक ब्रीफ अबाउट हाउ रूट डीप वर्क, या इसको कैसे करना है. नाउ आई विल रिक्वेस्ट द ऑडियंस हुएवर हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क. यस प्लीज. कैन समबडी गिव अ माइक टू हर?
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, I
Yes.
just want to ask, does this product contain minoxidil and aminoxyl or something?
No, see, minoxidil is a pharma drug. So cosmetic में minoxidil नहीं use होता है. So it is 100% minoxidil free. But yes, aminoxyl का एक ingredient होता है which is called as diamine pyrimidine oxide.
Okay, yeah, I got
Aminoxyl is a brand from L'Oreal. So उसका जो formulation उसके अंदर एक ingredient है 1.5% as per cosmetic rules आप use कर सकते हो. ये इस product में भी है. तो उसका बेसिकली काम होता है ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए.
And another question is, see, once the scalp gets used to this aminoxyl, once you stop the product, does the scalp comes to this using the product, does the scalp comes again to that condition?
Yeah, so there is where the root deep brings the difference. Root deep as a formulation does not work only on one concern. So improper blood circulation एक problem होता है. उसके अलावा हेयर में और बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हेयर फॉल जो है वो रुकता है, राइट. सो हम लोग वो सारे एस्पेक्ट पे भी काम करते हैं. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसको बंद कर दोगे तो आपका स्कैल्प वैसा का वैसा हो जाएगा. बट येस, एज जब ये डिस्कशन, हाँ, जब पैनल का डिस्कशन चल रहा था तब ये था कि कोई भी चीज़ का लाइफ टाइम गारंटी नहीं हो सकता, राइट. तो आपको बाद में भी उसको कंटिन्यू तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, thank you so much.
Anybody else have any question? Yes. माइक पास करना पड़ेगा.
Ma'am, basically we have like lot of factors for the hair fall. Like we have two types of hair fall. One is for the mid breakage and scalp breakage. So mid breakage is basically due to excessive harsh treatments. So will this product work on the mid breakage also?
So see, breakage is not related to the scalp. जो आप ही ने उसका जवाब दिया. तो this product is not something which will work on the breakage which has happened. जो ब्रेकेज हो गया है उसके लिए आपको लेंथ बेस के जो भी ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं.
So how we will analyze the hair problem? Basically, whenever a client comes for the consultation, he is not aware itself like how the hair fall is coming. Like once you wash your hair, then they get a hair fall, or is it due to chemical treatment? So how we will analyze what type of hair fall he is going under?
So the answer to this is कि जो भी उसके बाल झड़ रहे हैं, जो फ्लोर पे है या कोम पे है, आप ये देख लीजिए कि वो हेयर बल्ब के साथ में है या बिना बल्ब के. So
Okay.
bulb is like जो जड़ होती है ना, there's a black and white color, आप तोड़ के देखते हो. So if it is with that hair bulb, it means वो root से हो रहा है.
And is
और
there any
अगर छोटे-छोटे
particular
टुकड़े हैं-
frequency?
Sorry?
Is there any particular frequency to do this treatment? Like,
This particular treatment, as I said in the salon, is a 15 days repeat. आपको
15
करना-
days.
15 days is the ideal. कोई भी
Okay.
ट्रीटमेंट है तो 15 दिन 10 दिन में आपको करना पड़ता है. जब आपको कोई भी चीज़ को मेंटेन करना है तो आप एक नॉर्मल बॉडी साइकिल के हिसाब से 1 मंथ में 1 मंथ इज़ अ मेंटेनेंस प्रोसेस. ठीक है, जब आपको किसी चीज़ को ट्रीट करना है तो बेसिक साइकिल से बियॉन्ड जाना पड़ेगा. सो दैट इज 10-15 दिन में एक बार आपको रिपीट करना पड़ेगा.
okay.
ठीक है,
Thank
सो
you so
ब्रेकेज
much.
और हेयर लॉस आप आराम से समझ सकते हो.
Okay, and one more
छोटा बाल है तो
question.
ब्रेकेज है, उसके लेंथ के
And
हिसाब
one
से
more
तो loss.
question, like especially in tier 2 cities, many people are using hard water on the hair. Like, does that affect on this product also?
या बैड वाटर इज एनीवेज बैड. हम सॉफ्टनर लगवा सकते हैं, टीयर 2 सिटीज़ में भी लग सकता है. नहीं तो पानी गर्म करो, उसको ठंडा करो.
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah,
है, या फिर जो पीने के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हो, तो बालों के लिए थोड़ी मेहनत कर लेनी चाहिए.
Okay, thank you so much.
I think now we are running with the time.
Can I just help you with that? See, one of the functions that a good shampoo has to do is to be able to fight any kind of water. Because different geographies have different waters which have different effects on the hair. And a formulator will keep in mind to be able to fight that so that it doesn't stop the shampoo from functioning. So therefore, the difference between a professional shampoo and a commercial shampoo. Okay? Is that right?
Yeah, that is important. Since we have also created a shampoo which is scalp shampoo, right? Generally, shampoos people feel it is for hair, but we say that okay, it will give you a smoother hair, shinier hair, but mainly it is meant for scalp. So our shampoo also does take care of the hard water. But what Santosh said is also correct. A softener at home will definitely help, right? And it's a good call, good investment to take. Yeah.
Like, many stylists suggest to shampoo the hair only on scalp. So, like, we just have to rinse off the shampoo from the hair shaft, or we need to scrub out the hair shaft also with shampoo.
Sorry, come again, means
No,
you have to
like
rinse
if you
off the
are-
shampoo from hair and scalp both, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Because-
Shampoo has to be removed from hair and scalp both, but not through excessive massage, right? You can remove it through a gentle massage. See, shampoo, any shampoo, root dip shampoo also is made up with 2 ingredients, anionic and cationic. Our hair has a positive charge, so shampoo has some negative charge ingredients which will retain on the hair, which will make your hair smooth. So even after applying the shampoo, if you remove the shampoo after 2 minutes, your shampoo job is done. You don't need to keep it on the hair or scalp for more than 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank
But
you.
if your hair is falling, don't just aggressively massage, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's not good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
done.
शाफ्ट को भी कभी ऐसे रब नहीं करना है. So normal. Quick question. You can come in front. Or maybe you will be louder.
Excuse me. Ma'am.
Okay. So there are a lot of debates on sulfates and parabens in the hair industry. I am a cosmetologist and I have done my BTech and MTech in formulation and development. I clearly know the difference how to formulate in that. But it's very hard nowadays to convince that to the my clients or when I formulate to a team. It's very difficult to convince them. So how do you deal with it? I just want to know that how you convince people to use sulfate-free shampoo or to not use, because oily scalp needs sulfate is what I believe, and the dry scalp and dry head doesn't need the sulfate, and paraben also. So this is a very topic wherein customers and clients are very debatable to me. So I just want a clear idea of what you have experienced in this.
Very technical question.
So sorry, but
yeah, no,
I face
I
that
would like
issue.
to answer that.
Yeah.
and hopefully I can, do justice to it. See, sulfate free, paraben free, these are more of trends, right? Paraben is definitely bad. So no one should use paraben. And nowadays, if you look at most of the industry, they have shifted to paraben free. The role of paraben in a shampoo is to preserve the shampoo. So now there are a lot of new generation preservatives came up better than paraben. So that's not a question anymore. Everybody should use paraben free, oily scalp, dry scalp, damaged hair, hair fall, no hair fall, everything. Now when it comes to sulfate and sulfate free, it's a very tricky question. And to be very honest, sulfates are not that bad, right? I have a sulfate-free shampoo, right? I am not being prejudiced to my own shampoo. I am speaking from a science front. Sulfates in some conditions are definitely good, and too many people find that sulfate-free shampoos are costlier, and it doesn't give you that good feel like the sulfate shampoos do. But there are certain conditions they are better. Say for example, in case of stripping the hair color, sulfate-frees are definitely better. They don't strip the hair color, right? Second thing is, they are better when somebody has done a chemical treatment in the salon. But if you talk about dandruff shampoo, if you talk about itchy flaky scalp, if you talk about oily scalp, then definitely a sulfate shampoo is much better shampoo, right? And you are right about that. But I think that education is technical and companies need to start speak. I have seen one recent campaign about Ordinary. I don't know whether you know this company, but Ordinary has started a campaign about know the sulfates, right? So sulfates are good and bad both, but it depends upon what is your need. Skin also, if you have acne, you definitely need to clean it better, more stronger. But if you have just sensitive skin, then sulfate frees are better. So similarly, you have to take a call. Yeah, thank you.
I think now, if anybody have a question, we can have a separate discussion at our stall at Brillare Science. And here I would like to close this panel. I would like to thank all of the panelists. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for traveling so far from distance for us. Thank you so much.